Just meet me in the middle. I'm losing my mind just a little.
So before we start this makeup look, I moisturize and prime my face, and the moisturizer that I use is the Dr. Jart Water Drop. I got this at Sephora for a free sample, and look how much I used. I like it. Did I get this at Sephora? No, I got this in a Sephora order for free when I purchased something. Yeah. And then for primer, I use the Too Faced Prime in Peachy. Love this primer. I feel like this is the perfect primer for summer. This moisturizer just feels like water on your face, so I feel like that is really good because it's lightweight. And we're all about lightweight for summer because you don't want to feel like you have cakey makeup on and it's just gonna like sweat all off like in 5 minutes. We want it to last long. And this primer is cooling and skin perfecting primer. So it perfects your skin as well as cooling. It's not silicone. I have the Smashbox silicone primer, but I feel like that's just not a really good primer for summer. So, yeah. Okay, so for foundation, we are going to use the Peach Perfect Foundation, Comfort Matte Foundation infused with peach, white peach sweet fig cream. This is oil-free, 14-hour wear, oil control, and photo-friendly. So, we want all 3 of the 4 in the summer. Oil-free, 14-hour wear, and oil control. So we do want all of that. I am going to take 2 pumps because, like I said, it's summer. We don't want a whole lot of makeup on our face. I want to wear as little product as I possibly can, but also look like I have foundation. Sorry, Brock's friend is here. Going next door to his mom's. So we are just going to apply that. Trying to get every much amount of it as possible. So like I said, you want it to be lightweight. You don't want a whole lot of product on your skin, on your face, because it is a hot one out. Well, for me it is. It's hot out today. So another essential for a summer foundation or summer look to keep it all in is a setting powder, and the setting powder that I'm using is e.l.f. the HD powder. This used to be like my go-to powder when I was first starting makeup. Then I went away with it, and then I started it up again. So I'm just gonna set my whole face with it, and I will be right back. So now that the whole face is set, we're gonna go ahead and move on to bronzer, blush, and highlight. I'm gonna be using the Butter Collection. So I'm gonna use, I have both medium and deep because I think I'm gonna use the blush out of the deep and the bronzer out of the light. I don't know. Actually, no. We're just gonna use the light palette today. So I'm just gonna use the bronzer. Like I said, very light and simple. And then for blush, I'm gonna use the Natural Glow blush that came in the palette for this. I like the rosy nose. I don't know why. And then highlight. If I can find my highlighting brush, that'd be great. For highlight, I'm gonna use Galactic. Oh man, I just took a good chunk of that. you can't even see it. Galactic. I am trying so hard to show you this. Galactic. Right there. How many times can I say galactic? I have no flipping clue, but I said it like 3 times. So I'm just going to take that. Sorry, my computer went out. A lot of you guys noticed, well, some of you guys, I'm pretty sure have noticed that I use my computer as a light. It works. So now that that is done, I don't really do my eyebrows in the summer. They're just natural. So, by the way, don't mind this on my neck. I got scratched by a Cocker Spaniel today at work because she did not like the hairdryer. So, that was my day. So for this, I'm going to take, for my eyes, the same palette. You're gonna be shocked. I'm gonna just use the highlighters in the palette for my eyes. So I'm gonna take Galactic, take that on my eye. And then I'm gonna take Full Moon. Same thing. Take that on my eye. And then apply mascara and I will be right. So there's the finished look. I don't do mascara on the bottom lashes because it's just gonna run anyway because of how hot it is. It's like 90 degrees and I have like a full face of makeup on because I can't just do that. The very last thing that I'm gonna do is spray my face with this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. Oh. And that's just gonna make sure that it sets and stays and it locks it in. Another trick for the summer, if you don't want, oh, and it also like boosts your highlight as well. Another trick for the summer, if you don't want your makeup to move, is hairspray. If you can afford setting sprays, because I know how much setting sprays are, hairspray. I actually do use hairspray. So in a minute, I'm going to go and spray my face with hairspray. And it works. It literally works. So there's a tip for you. Hairspray. And I just put chapstick on. I don't do anything fancy. And another trick is when you're doing foundation, put chapstick on. You won't get foundation on your lips. That's another trick. So, you're welcome. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very quick video on my go-to summer look. I do this pretty much every day in the summer when I wear makeup because who wants to do a full glam eye in the summer? Like, I know I don't, but I do. Yeah. I don't want to talk about it. I'm sitting here saying, you know, who wants to do that? And I do it. If I have like somewhere to go, like if I'm going on a date, I'm gonna do it. But if I just have like errands to run, this is what is gonna happen. Or if I have like an event to go to or a party or a get together, I will put a full glam of makeup on. Like my eyes will be fully done. But if I'm just hanging out with friends or hanging out with Brock, this is what it does. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enough of me rambling on. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I'm going to mention that it looks good with glasses, too, because I wear them. I gotta wear my specs.